Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on assumption checks for ANOVA and the Kruskal Wallis H-test. So after we have done our analysis of variance on the data, we should have something that looks like this on the right side of the screen, a table with a p-value. Now we will proceed with the assumption checks. So we will, on the left side of the screen, we will drop down this option that says assumption checks. We will check the box saying homogeneity tests and we get a p-value of more than 0.05, which does not raise concerns about our the validity of our results. So after we have done with the assumption checks, now we can do a non-parametric test just to confirm the results we have gotten here after doing ANOVA. That will be the Kruskal Wallis H-test, and we can do that by going into the non-parametrics option on the left side of the screen like so. We can select those option and we can click on the arrow like right here, and so we have done this and we have gotten a p-value of less than 0.01, which is also highly significant, and this confirms our results which we have gotten after using ANOVA. So there we have it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.